So we're back again to the second video. We did have a bit of technical issues with the first video. As it turns out, there's only so much space on my phone and I'm fairly technically non-advanced, so we're going to break these up into a few so that I can upload them at a time. So on the last video, I think it cut out around the time we were talking about the 5 racks that it comes with. It comes with a ashtray down the bottom which you can remove your ash, and it comes with, over on the side, a temperature vent which you can utilise. You can get out of the way with so you can see it. You can actually close it and open it to regulate the amount of airflow that you get coming into the unit. A few other features that you've got a fold away tray, it pops up, and effectively you can use it as a storage tray. You've got your handle for moving. Now keep in mind this unit is actually 400 kilos empty, and it is on wheels. It does move around, but I wouldn't suggest moving it too many times because it's actually quite heavy to move, and unless you're going to trailer mount it or mount it into a trailer, you're going to have a lot of trouble moving it around. Keep in mind, if you do trailer mount it, you want to make sure that whatever you put it in has the ability to hold the weight, because once you add 90 to 100 kilos of meat, you're talking about half a ton of smoker. You have some anchor points that have been included so that you can actually lock it down in place. There's 4 of those over the unit. It's a solid steel construction unit. So it's been just over an hour since our last video. It actually took longer to upload the video than it did to get the smoker up to temp, but if you have a look, we've got it up to just over 210 Fahrenheit now, which is exactly where we want it to be. A little bit of a foray into the smoker box. It's got charcoal only in there at the moment. So right now that is it's a good quality lump charcoal that we get. Just get it started with your chimney starter, and you can use some firelighters under that to get it underway. I've got a couple of different types of wood on the table. We've got an apple wood and also a bag of hickory wood which is picked up from the hardware store, and our brisket, so just over 6.5 kilos of brisket, and we've also got a little pork shoulder, but we're going to use a rolled one today. We've used bone-in pork shoulder before. We find that they work quite well because the bone obviously helps it work. We're going to quickly get this in because we're running out of time, and I shall show you how fast the unit comes back up to speed or up to temp. So we'll quickly get the door open. We'll quickly get this. We'll get that back out. Grab that brisket. We're going to put it in flat side away. So the temperature, the heat comes in through here, so what you find is if you've got your flat down the bottom there and it's facing the other way, you'll burn it too quick. And we've got a water pan as well, which we'll just get in there. So we'll close that off. And we've lost some temp, it was at 210, but that'll be back up to where we want it to be with the 2 doors open. Back up to where it needs to be in a couple of minutes. So I'm going to stop this video here. We'll do another one. I'm going to have a few hours sleep, and we'll come back and we'll have a look at how it's going. In the morning we'll put in some rib racks for tomorrow's service, and I've also got a lamb shoulder that we've dusted with salt and lemon pepper, and we're going to throw that in there as well. So you can already see that it's starting to come up fairly quickly. Once it gets to the desired temperature that we want, being the 210 again, we'll close those doors and we'll regulate the temperature from the tap. Excellent. See you in video 3.